Hi there guys and girls, so in today's lesson we're going to look at 16th note accents on the snare drum. Hi there, okay, so what do I mean by an accent? An accent is a note that's played louder than the others. So what you get is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if you accent the second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay then, so I'm going to show you some music and teach you how to play it. Right, okay then guys and girls, so accents. An accent symbol is like an arrow pointing forwards, okay? Or the tip of an arrow pointing forwards. We're going to start off on the snare drum, remember, second line down. And the sticking for this is right, left, right, left. So we're just going to keep going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, throughout the whole pattern. So as you can see, there's a little arrow above all the rights on in the first beat of the sequence of 4. So the count for this is 1 E under, 2 E under, 3 E under, 4 E under. So you can go 1 E under, 2 E under, 3 E under, 4 E under. So once again, accenting all the right hands in the first group of each 4 16th notes. So we're going to take that onto the kit and see how it sounds. Right then, okay, so in this one, we're adding in the bass drum. So same pattern again, but we're also, with the snare drum, we have a bass drum on the one. Remember, if they're in line with each other on stage, you play them at the same time. So let's have a look at how that sounds. Okay then, so pattern number 2, we're keeping the bass drum on the 1. Still, the sticking is still right, left, all the way throughout. But we've moved the accent onto the E of each group of 4. So your accent is now coming on your left hand. Bear in mind the dynamics of your playing to keep all your accents a lot louder than the other notes. It'd be difficult at first, you're not used to doing it with your left hand, but just keep going, start off slow and speed it up and you'll soon get there. Right, okay then, so next pattern, we've now moved the accent onto the and of each set of 4. So once again, sticking stays the same, right, left, and the accent now falls on the second right hand of each set of 4. Also, your bass drum, you've also got your bass drum on your 1, so remember when they're in line, you play them at the same time. Okay, so let's see how that sounds. Okay then, so it comes to the final pattern for today's lesson. Once again, same sticking, right, left, still 16th notes on the snare, and we've now moved the accent to the final beat of the group of 4. Okay, so it now falls on the A of each group of 4. Let's see how that sounds. Okay guys, I hope that was helpful. I'm going to do this in a 2-part series. So we've started with the basics of just having the 1, and then we're going to go into moving it around the kit and playing it in a pattern. So we're then going to go into adding extra accents in each group of 4 and then moving it around the kit. So we're going to be doing that in the next lesson. I hope you've enjoyed it, and once again, so everything, start off slow, slowly speed it up, get faster and faster. Pay close attention to the dynamics of your playing. These accents can make a huge difference to a piece of music, especially if the guitarist or the bass player playing certain accents on certain parts of the bar. You can then basically accent it with them, and it just brings a new dimension to your playing. Okay, so see you soon.